Welcome to Tech Zone TV, where smart machines and skilled hands come together to shape the world around us. Today, we take you into the quiet strength of the forest, where trees that have stood for decades are brought down with precision, care, and experience. This isn't just tree cutting. It's a craft, a science, and for many, a way of life. Every good felling job begins not with a saw, but with a plan. Notice how the operator carefully surveys the surroundings. This is essential because even the most powerful equipment can't save a poor judgment call. Look closely. The trees lean, the wind direction, nearby structures, and even the slope of the ground. All of it matters. And here's something most people miss: clearing the base. Removing brush and debris gives the saw operator a clean working area. It's not about speed, it's about safety. This is where technique comes in. The notch cut, usually about a third into the trunk, determines the tree's falling direction. The front cut is made first, forming a horizontal base. Then, the angled cut meets it, creating a clean wedge. This notch acts like a hinge. It controls the tree's fall, helping it drop forward and not twist unexpectedly. Experienced cutters will always take their time with this. A good notch is worth every extra second. Now comes the final cut, the felling cut. This is made from the back, just above the point of the notch. As it progresses, the tree starts to lean and then it gives. The sound is unmistakable, the deep crack of breaking fibers, followed by silence, then the crash. But here's what matters. The operator steps away before it falls, maintaining a clear escape path. It's not just good practice, it's survival. Not all trees fall in open woods. In many cases, you're working between fences, homes, even power lines. That's where ropes, wedges, and sometimes even cranes come in. In the scenes here, notice the use of guide ropes to influence the fall. A steady pull at just the right moment can be the difference between a clean fall and a costly accident. For many professionals, this is where experience really shows. Once the tree is down, the job is only half done. Limbs are cleared quickly, either for chipping or burning, and the trunk is sectioned into manageable logs. Depending on the tree's purpose, it could be turned into lumber, firewood, or left for habitat. In some shots, you'll see high-powered chainsaws and simple hand tools working side by side, a blend of old and new that makes this work feel timeless. There's something deeply satisfying about this process. It's physical, methodical, and full of respect for the trees, the tools, and the people who do the work. Whether you're someone who enjoys the smell of fresh-cut wood, or you're just curious about the world behind your backyard, this is a craft worth knowing. Thanks for joining us on Tech Zone TV, where we bring machines, methods, and meaningful work to life. Don't forget to follow us for more stories from the field.